Redi Shopping Center, Kastama, Helsinki. Bad doors, but these are really used to it.
Menossa ylöspäin. Kör uppåt.
Center serve. Just 4 floors. But in 2018 it says 17, but no inspection label, but other ones say also, and they had been inspected in August 2018.
Ensimmäinen kerros. Första våningen.
4 to 5, 6, 4 to 7, 7 copyright music, unfortunately. Then, yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone. But maintained inspection labels are missing for some reason. This was the deepest parking garage in Helsinki.
K6, K6.
Let's change elevators.
Menossa ylöspäin. Kör uppåt.
Where I felt there is enough because these are not so interesting. What the fuck? Someone called this later. Now the same one is coming, I think. Yeah. Fuck.
Menossa ylöspäin. Kör uppåt.
Fortunately, they choose Kone elevators, Rotterdam, grab this sort. There are quite many elevators.
Kör uppåt.
Inspector maintain levels and between 2018 4256 4276. 13 per show, 1000 kilograms.
Ensimmäinen kerros. Första våningen. Menossa alaspäin. Kör neråt.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone. This have used better gaps.
K6, K6.
Basement 6. That's it.